Today we're gonna make a traditional Greek dip, Skordalia, which is a garlic potato dip served with grilled pita. To get started on our Skordalia, first we're going to boil our potatoes. So I've started with 6 Idaho potatoes, peeled them, cut them in 4, and put them on the stove to boil. While the potatoes are boiling, we're gonna use a small food processor and we're gonna mince our garlic and our olive oil. There are not many ingredients in this. We're just using olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and white vinegar. I used 6 potatoes, so I'm gonna do 6 small cloves of garlic. This is very garlicky. If you have larger cloves, you could adjust that a little bit. So we're gonna use a 1/2 cup of olive oil. I'm gonna add our garlic cloves and our olive oil. We're gonna mince this together. So our olive oil and garlic are ready. I'm gonna go check our potatoes, strain them, and then we're getting ready for our next step to blend this all together. So I've strained our potatoes and we're gonna take the hot potatoes. This is very important. You wanna use hot potatoes for this. You don't wanna let them cool. So we're gonna put them into our food processor. So our potatoes are nice and creamy here. We're gonna add in our salt and pepper. So we're gonna do 3 teaspoons of salt right to our potatoes and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. I always like to use white pepper when I'm doing white sauces or dips. Put that right in there. Put that in another mix. And now, while that's mixing, I'm gonna add in our olive oil and garlic. And next, our white vinegar. I did 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. And that is all of our ingredients. It is super garlicky. I can smell the garlic, which is perfect. That's exactly what you want. And this dip is ready. You're gonna let it cool to serve. You're gonna serve that with some grilled pita. And this is awesome. Very garlicky. At our restaurant, we used to say, when people used to come on a first date, we had 6 Greek dips on our menu. And people would say, which one should I have? And I would say, is this your first date? Skip the garlic potato one. Maybe try that one on another date. So we'll put this one here. And it's ready. This is not a dip you're gonna serve on a first date or for an upscale cocktail party. You're gonna save this dip for your family and your close friends. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.